Hello students, welcome to the next lecture on the real analysis. Today I will explain you the concept of deleted neighborhood. सबसे आसान तरीके से समझने की कोशिश करेंगे इस ब्यूटीफुल लेक्चर को. Myself Dr. Harish Garg, you can follow and subscribe my YouTube channel where you can find the playlist of the real analysis. The last lecture was on the neighborhood of the sets. You can see and learn the idea behind the neighborhood of the point. तो क्या सीखा था हमने? Whenever you have a point A, what is the meaning of the neighborhood is? Our target is to define the open interval whose length or endpoints are A minus delta, A plus delta. That means the collection of all those points of the real analysis or the real line such that x minus a must be less than of delta. It is denoted by capital N. Now, in the today's lecture, we can extend the idea of the neighborhood to the deleted neighborhood. तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको एक ब्रीफ फॉर्म में बता देता हूं. बिफोर आई डायरेक्टली गिव टू द मैथमेटिकल डेफिनेशंस, लेट मी गिव यू वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज अ नेबरहुड? नेबरहुड क्या था आपका? एक पॉइंट है. इस पॉइंट के नेबरहुड में आपको एक इंटरवल बनाना है ओपन. इस पॉइंट में ए if belongs to the neighborhood. Fine. The deleted neighborhood means the point itself is not the part of the neighborhood. अगर मेरे पास किसी का सेट का नेबरहुड A है, इसमें से अगर मैं उस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट को रिमूव कर दूं, if I remove the particular point from this set A minus delta to A plus delta, we call as the deleted neighborhood. In other words, if I deleted the point A from the neighborhood, then we call as the deleted neighborhood. Fine. अब इसको कुछ funny examples से समझते हैं and then we will look at the mathematical definitions. Same example से cover करेंगे, that is related to the boyfriend girlfriend which we cover in the last lecture of the neighborhood of the set. So as we discussed, assume there are the three girls have joined the university A, B and C. And every boy wants to make a friendship with them. So I can consider that one boy who wants to make a friendship with the girl A. Fine. So what he can do? He try to impress her. कैसे impress करेगा इसे? He try to impress her by sending some gifts. Fine. By spending some time with her. Fine. Or by using some smiles or take cares, showing the respect and so on. Fine. So they will continuously, day by day, they are sending the gift to her, spend time with her, smile, respect her. And after the few weeks, all becomes a good friend. Fine. And once they become a friend, they are decided to plan a picture together. So after some times, once they become a friend, all of them will plan to take a picture together. तो जैसे पिक्चर लेने की बात सोची, द फोटोग्राफर से एवरीवन कम क्लोजर. फाइन. तो उस केस में क्या होगा? जो बॉय है ही वांट्स टू इंप्रेस द गर्ल ए, तो ये जल्दी से भागा और गर्ल ए के पास पिक्चर में आके खड़ा हो गया. यूजुअली ऐसा ही होता है, आप सब लोग भी ऐसा ही करते हो. फाइन. द बॉयफ्रेंड इमीडिएटली ट्राई टू स्टैंड एग्जैक्टली वेयर द गर्ल ए स्टैंडिंग. इस केस में डिलीटेड नेबरहुड कहां काम करेगा? वी विल सी दैट. The girl laugh and say, "Excuse me, you can't stand on me, or you can't stand on top of me. You can stand beside me." Fine. इसका मतलब उसकी जहां पे ये लड़की खड़ी है, उसकी पोजीशन पे नहीं खड़े हो सकते आप. अगर ये इसकी पोजीशन है गर्ल ए की, आप इस पे नहीं हो सकते, इसके आगे पीछे कहीं भी खड़े हो जाओ. The girl B say that is called as respecting the personal space. पर्सनल स्पेस यही होता है कि आप उस पॉइंट के ऊपर ना हो, उसके आसपास कहीं भी हो जाओ. एंड द गर्ल सी सेज द क्लोज फ्रेंड स्टैंड्स क्लोजर बट नॉट एट द सेम पॉइंट. सो दैट मींस दैट इज द आइडिया. दैट मींस द बॉय कैन स्टैंड वेरी वेरी क्लोज टू द गर्ल ए बट नॉट at her exact location. That means if this is the girl A, the boy can stand near to the point A or the girl A, but not exactly at the point A. इसका मतलब इस बॉय के लिए कहीं भी खड़ा हो सकता है वो फोटो में, बट ए पॉइंट नहीं हो सकता. इसका मतलब ए पॉइंट इसकी डोमेन से डिलीट हो गया, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द डिलीटेड नेबरहुड. Fine. Now remember that. So how you can write it mathematically? That means the point, the boy is x must not be equal to a. So by using the definition of the neighborhood, x minus a must be less than of the delta. That is the definition of the neighborhood. Fine. But if I put as greater than 0, that's the definition of the deleted neighborhood. And make sure the deleted neighborhood is denoted by n star of a comma delta. The deleted neighborhood of the point A is defined as collection of all those x such that x minus a is strictly greater than 0 and it must be less than of the delta. Make sure, student, that greater than strictly greater than 0 implies that x is not equal to a. That means x is not equal to a granted. Or as I tell you, the if we delete the point A from the neighborhood, then we will get the deleted neighborhood of the point. That means I can define the neighborhood is deleted neighborhood if I taken as a neighborhood minus A. Fine, that is called as the deleted neighborhood. If I define the example of the deleted neighborhood, that means your target is to find the deleted neighborhood of the 10 with the radius 3, which is defined as collection of all those x such that x minus 10 is less than 3. So that implies, क्या मतलब हुआ इसका, इस 10 से 3 इधर चले जाओ और 3 इस तरफ चले जाओ. So that means your point is a 7,13, but apart from the point itself 10. That is the deleted neighborhood of the 10 with the radius 3. Similarly, on the right hand side, deleted neighborhood of the 0 with the point 1. 0 निकालना है आपको with the point 1. तो 1 इस तरफ चले जाइए और 1 इस तरफ चले जाइए. That will be minus 1 to 1 apart from the deleted neighborhood. Fine. So that is called as deleted. तो आप इसको कैसे लिख सकते हो आप? It is a 0 minus 1 plus 1. So इस इंटरवल को क्या लिखोगे? Whenever 0 is not included, that means minus 1 to 0 union 0 to 1. Now the question is why there is a need of the deleted neighborhood. If I choose a very simple example, let's say f of x is sin x over x, or I can consider another is a polynomial x square minus 4 divided by x minus 2. Now clearly say the function f is not defined. इस पॉइंट पे डिफाइन नहीं होगा. The function is not defined at x is equal to 0. Similarly, the right hand side function is not defined at x is equal to 2. यही तो है ना? The left hand side function is not defined at 0 and the right hand side function is not defined at x is equal to 2. That means what can you say about the limit x approaches 0 fx on the left hand side, and what can you say about limit x approaches 2 of the fx? What does the meaning of x approaches 0? That means we are near to the 0 but not exactly 0. यही तो मतलब होता है ना नेबरहुड का और अप्रोचेस का. That means what will happen if we plan to study the limit as x approaches 0 or x approaches 2. So whenever we are talking about the near to the plane, we are always look for the values which are very close to the point but not exactly the point. In that case, we always, whenever we study the limit, we always work for the deleted neighborhood. Why? Because जब भी आप limit x approaches a की बात करते हो, we are not talking about x is equal to a. We are always talking about whether the limit x approaches a negative or x approaches a positive. What is the meaning of the a negative? अगर ये आपका neighborhood है, then this part is my a negative and this right part is my A positive. So therefore, that's why we called as the deleted neighborhood is one of the fundamental in the real analysis. Another example, consider the function fx. What will happen near x equal to 1? Look at the word is near. That means we are not interested to find the value of the f is 1, but we are interested to find the value of the fx whenever x is near to the 1. And whenever x is near to the 1, that means x may be 1.001 or x may be 0.999 and so on. That means we are talking about x approaches 1. Therefore, whatsoever the value of the f1, look at that. In this case, f of 1 is 100, doesn't matter. इसका तो कोई मैटर हुआ ही नहीं, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड टू फाइंड द वैल्यूज एट द पर्टिकुलर वन. तो यहाँ पे अगर 100 है, चाहे 1000 है, चाहे 10,000 है, इट हैज नो मीनिंग. दैट मीन्स f of 1 is 100 does not matter whenever we are studying the concept of the limit. मैं कंटिन्यूटी की बात नहीं कर रहा, आई एम टॉकिंग ओनली फॉर द लिमिट. So therefore, we can say the deleted neighborhood is defined as x minus delta about the point x minus of the single point. Fine, I can write as a union. So we can say the left part, this is the left limit, or this is called as the right limit. And that's why whenever we are talking about the deleted neighborhood, we always consider the left hand part and the right hand part. Now, what is the comparison between the deleted neighborhood and the neighborhood? क्या दोनों में डिफरेंस है और कंपैरिजन है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द नेबरहुड इज डिनोटेड बाय x, डेल्टा एंड द डिलीटेड नेबरहुड इज डिनोटेड बाय n स्टार. फाइन. इस पॉइंट के अंदर, नेबरहुड के अंदर आपका ओपन इंटरवल बनेगा x माइनस डेल्टा एंड x प्लस डेल्टा, while the deleted neighborhood is again the x minus delta apart from the x. Clearly say the neighborhood contain the x. x मिलेगा ना आपको इसमें, फाइन. और इसके अंदर आपको x जो है वो नहीं मिलेगा, does not contain x. और क्या होगा? Whenever we are talking about the deleted neighborhood, the concept is a very useful in the limit calculations. While इस deleted in the neighborhood में हमें x value भी चाहिए, then we are very interested to find whenever we are talking about the continuity, differentiability or the topology, then the concept of the neighborhood is a very useful. Clear? So make sure students, the left hand side is a part of the neighborhood, fine, and the right hand side is a part of the deleted neighborhood, and make sure 0 greater than, इस केस में आपके पास x may be equal to a, while 0 is greater than is part of the big difference between the neighborhood and the deleted neighborhood. तो उम्मीद करता हूं आपको कंसेप्ट आसान लगा होगा. सो इफ यू राइट एज अ वन लाइन मेमोरी ट्रिक ऑफ द डिलीटेड नेबरहुड, वी कैन से वी कैन becomes a near to the a but not exactly at the point a. Clear? So we will see. If you are interested to learn more properties of the neighborhood, you can tell me in the comment box. I will upload for you very soon. Till then, you can subscribe my YouTube channel and mark interested to watch more videos in the comment box. Best of luck, students. Happy luck.